The amount of reportable data and metrics generated by the processes and tools running in a private development cloud is staggering. Just keeping track of when, how, where, and what processes and tools have executed in your infrastructure can wreak havoc in just about any environment, such as having to traverse file systems, parsing gigabytes of log file data, calling custom database queries, monitoring various email inboxes, or browsing into multiple custom web dashboards just to get an aggregated status. Most systems that we encounter are not scalable and definitely not flexible enough to meet the rigorous data monitoring demands of your private development cloud infrastructure. Electric Cloud gives you centralized execution and access control to your private development cloud. This makes it the ideal solution to provide the means and data used to make estimations and projections on resource usage, process execution speedups, and project quality trends, whenever needed, in real time. What do I actually mean by that? How can we make sure that all the data being captured is not only easy to put in, but also easy to extract at design and define time, and during execution and runtime, as well as for post-processing needs? Using the best features of operating system environment variables, programming language constructs, and best practices of how scope should be set and defined, Electric Cloud lets you transparently annotate any part of your process and system as it's running. Applying sophisticated yet flexible access rights on that data, you can retain detailed control of who has the authority to write it, and then read and slice and dice the data any way you want. Important data, like the decisions being made by whom and when in your development workflows, the outputs generated by your processes, the defects introduced and fixed by version X of your software, the current state of a particular work item, and the exact path of previous milestones it passed leading up to this point. Like no other technology, Electric Cloud will keep track of and record all the relative details and metadata that you care about within your private development cloud.